Today's topic is biology. How does Jellicoe see? To understand, we will investigate the anatomy of Jellicoe's head. The head is essentially a green plasma membrane which surrounds over 1 billion interior photoreceptor cells. By comparison, the human eyes contain approximately 210 million photoreceptor cells. These photoreceptor cells are known as cones and rods. These cones and rods interpret visual contrast and color by the means of light entering a pupil. However, in the case of our subject, Jellicoe, there is no anatomical pupil or means for light to come into contact with the billions of photoreceptor cells. What Jellicoe sees are essentially phosphenes, which is the experience of seeing light in complete darkness. The amorphic movement and shape of the head can be attributed to transcranial magnetic stimulation, which is guided by alternating currents of positive and negative energy. Imagine a light bulb coated in a layer of green paint, obscuring any emitted light. The green surface flexes and undulates to the electrical voltage produced by solar energy. The head's color, green, is a result of a photosynthetic pigmentation. The pigment is a bacteria called chlorophyll, which captures the solar energy. The chlorophyll absorbs much of the blue and red portions of the electromagnetic spectrum, but has trouble absorbing much of the green spectrum. The solar energy, which pigments the head, emanates the approximate wavelength of 520 to 570 nanometers. That spectral range unfortunately does not qualify as a primary color, which might, in a way, lend itself to one of Jellicoe's insecurities.
Yo, I might not be a primary color, but that does not stop me from having fun with my homies. Now, please enjoy this Jellicoe classic.
I walk away down the darkened and crooked path. Fallen twigs snap beneath my clawed feet. Inside my head, I try to think of something special. Meanwhile, my arms flail up against the brush that is beginning to encroach upon the trail. If it were not for my trusty AA battery-powered flashlight, I would be blind. Just then, the light-emitted oculus centers upon what appears to be the Ring of Power. The legendary ring, which has the power to control a bunch of other rings and also make the person possessing the ring invisible. Upon closer inspection, I realize that the ring is actually the remains of a spent condom. I drag my arm through my brow. It was a good thing I did not pick up the Ring of Power. I fear that if I did, I would have become